Your Chris 6 weather forecast.
Hi everybody, welcome back and happy Friday. Yeah, it's Whataburger Field and it's time to play ball. They're getting everything all groomed and ready to go there. Looks like there might be a game there tonight of some sort. I know the official season doesn't begin until next week, but in the event, it is springtime, as evidenced by our afternoon high today of 88 degrees, 8 above normal, and morning low wasn't low at all at 74. That's a big time number for the last morning of March, and of course no rainfall in spite of the cloud cover and a few sprinkles north and west of us last night, and rainfall deficit closing in on 3.5 inches. Not as windy this weekend, especially tomorrow. We made a big deal about this yesterday, that tomorrow would be the lightest winds of the next 7 days, so at least now it'll be the next 6, but tomorrow is going to be good. The winds will be down. Warm weekend, temperatures are going to be in the 80s tomorrow and on Sunday, and then hot early next week. What does hot mean? That means 90 or above here, and then rain and thunderstorms possible, but the jury's still out on this. I think that rain's going to end up west of us and northwest of us on Thursday and Friday, and we'll just see a little bit here. But hopefully I'll be wrong about that. We'll get a lot of rain, but right now it just doesn't look like it's going to materialize. That's a long way out, and adjustments will need to be made. 83 south-southeast winds at 22. They gusted to 41 today, as any jogger or anybody on a bicycle could probably tell you. With 83 here right now, 93 in San Diego. Freer is up to 94, while it's 74 over in Aransas Pass and Portland, where they're having their Wind Fest going on, and good weather for that. Winds in Ingleside near Portland there at 16 miles an hour, southeasterly at 22 in Corpus Christi, but only 5 in Orange Grove. That's why they're hotter inland. Take a look at the wind forecast here, and it's nearly calm in the morning. So that's good news if you want lighter winds, but it will also promote some fog and haze overnight, and then a light breeze here tomorrow afternoon, just 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tomorrow is going to be a great day. And then on Sunday, the winds start to pick up a little bit, and especially Sunday afternoon. So that's why I mentioned wind-wise. If you don't like the wind, tomorrow's your day. Sunday, not as much. All right, let's take a look at the Wind Fest there in Portland, and there it is for tomorrow. And you'll be able to see around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 83, 84 mid-afternoon, 76 at 7 p.m., and east-southeast winds will be, again, 15 miles an hour or less. Tonight, we're talking about fog. Yeah, some of it rolling in here around 7 a.m. in the morning, not too bad. We'll have it again tomorrow night and into Sunday, but not too bad across the region. Hour-by-hour forecast keeps us in the low 70s over most of the nighttime hours. In between hours, we could drop into the upper 60s with these very light winds. Mid 80s here tomorrow afternoon, in spite of mostly cloudy skies. There will be some sunshine here and there. We had a lot of clouds again today. The sunshine was popping through those clouds. This front is going to dissipate before it ever gets here, and that's why we're not going to see any rain out of this. But there is severe weather north of Houston all the way up into the Missouri River Valley, at least potential, and Little Rock, Arkansas has already been clobbered by severe thunderstorms this afternoon. For us, our moisture is leaving and drier air is coming in from the west, but our surface winds are going to be out of the east, so that's going to produce a lot of clouds here in the morning, and then that'll give way to some afternoon sunshine tomorrow, but not totally sunny. And then on Sunday, the same thing. We'll start with clouds in the morning and then give way to some sunshine in the afternoon. So where is this rain coming from at the end of next week? Well, it all hinges around this upper level low that's going to dig out of the southwest. Here it is. Hasn't even formed yet, but it is at a low elevation. If it stays at that elevation, we'll get some significant rain here at the end of next week. But right now, it's a little touch and go as far as whether that's going to happen. Here's the 7-day forecast. 69 tonight, 86 tomorrow, 89 on Palm Sunday, 91 here Monday, 90 on Tuesday, 85 Wednesday, and then I'm going with isolated showers and lower temperatures here Thursday and Good Friday of next week. We'll have more right after this.